If I had to sum up Google Apps in one word, it would just be beautiful.
It just works, and that's what people want.
I'm Charles McLaughlin. I'm a systems administrator with Atlassian.
My name's Jim Severino. I'm the infrastructure team lead at Atlassian, and we went Google about 6 months ago.
At some point, we realized our previous solution wasn't going to work for us. Our old mail server grew larger and larger and larger. Backups became a huge problem for us, and upgrades took longer and longer. With Google Apps, we don't have to worry about that. Everything's in the cloud, and we don't have to worry about management.
Well, software development is becoming more and more global, so you can have people working in the Netherlands and you can have people working in South Africa and Rio de Janeiro on the same project. The coordination challenges that brings are pretty heavy, and there's a lot of calendaring systems like the one that we were on previously didn't handle it so well.
Here at Atlassian, we use almost all of the features of Google Apps. Obviously, mail is the biggest component, and calendaring is a close second. We also love Google Docs. We also started using the video sharing capabilities, which are great.
Being able to filter and label the email as it comes in, that enables me to focus on the high priority email, which is from my colleagues, from my customers.
Really like the mobile UI that both Gmail and Gcalendar have for the iPhone.
I think the best part of Google Apps was really the interface. Everyone loves it. Behind the pretty interface, there's tons of flexibility that you might not be aware of, and we've all become way more productive because of it.
With our previous solution, it was like, well, integration might exist, it might work if you use this version of the client or that version of the client, but Google Apps, because it has a much wider install base, it's much more likely that whatever email client you're trying to use is going to already work with it.
One of the great things about Google Apps is the cost. You don't have to worry about systems administrators working nights and weekends to maintain the service or upgrade it, so the return on investment made a lot of sense for us.